So, today is the first day of Huevember, and the first color is the brightest, lightest yellow that I have, which in this case is Sunshine Yellow. Now, a logical person would probably draw something to do with, oh, I don't know, sunshine? Since, sunshine yellow and all, but nope, that did not even occur to me until I sat down to write this voiceover. All I could think of was lemonade. Yep, lemonade. And as I was thinking of a picture of lemonade and the shape of a glass jug, I started thinking that the silhouette was sort of like an 1800s hoop skirt, since it's skinny at the poor neck spout part and then sort of flares out and becomes round. Listen, I know that doesn't actually make a lot of sense, but it's how I got to what I actually drew, which is this picture of lemonade that is actually a girl, and her lemonade is splashing up out of the pitcher. Maybe someone bumped the table she's sitting on or something, and she has a lemon parasol to keep dry, since it seems like she doesn't want to be splashed, even though the lemonade is part of her, so it probably shouldn't bother her. I don't know, but I thought she turned out really cute, so I didn't fight it, I just accepted it. I also made sure to put the little lemon slices floating in the pitcher, so that we were all on the same page that this is definitely lemonade and not, something else. Right, anyway, so I had also put ice cubes floating in there as well, but I decided I didn't like how they looked. So I filled in those white spaces, and yeah, day one of Huevember, sunshine yellow, check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.